Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful, gorgeous, frame-off restored 1968 Camaro. It's an SS Tribute. It's got all the SS badging, disc brakes, center console, all the goodies. Chrome, stainless, emblems, paint, beautiful, brand new tires. I mean, everywhere you look, it's nicer than the next. All the chrome and stainless is gorgeous. Grill is like brand new, absolutely fantastic. Look at the air dam. You call it a nut and bolt restoration, and it's beautiful. This key that opens the trunk. Definitely the original key. Absolutely beautiful in the trunk. No excuses, no disappointments. All brand new wiring, you can tell. Like, look at the light. Brand new. This car you can confidently hop in and drive anywhere. Inside we got the bucket seats, center console. Showing 6,046 miles. It's probably more like 106. Dash is gorgeous, seats are gorgeous. You can tell the center console is brand new. Where the seatbelt's going, it's not even touched. Got the gauge pack. Sounds really healthy. Nicely done. Got headers, power steering. You can tell it's all brand new. The bushings, everything, you can tell it's brand new. Manual top, also brand new. Yeah. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. You can call us directly at 631-339-0399. And I hope to hear from you soon.